How to enable Airdrop 2.0 update on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to enable Airdrop 2.0 feature on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to open settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, you have to scroll down and tap on General. From General section, tap on Airdrop. And from the Airdrop section, check for the options like bringing device together. After turn it on, you'll be able to access the latest feature of Airdrop, like this will unlock the new name drop feature on your iPhone, and from there you can place your two iPhone for connection to Airdrop simply from here, as you have to also do for the everyone for 10 minutes at the top. After done this, make sure your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and Airdrop are turned on in the control center. After do this, you'll be able to use that AirDrop 2.0 or name drop on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.